Public Wi-Fi. It feels like a modern miracle, doesn't it? We've all been there, stuck at the airport, camped out in a coffee shop, out there, unsecured. Network is just sitting there calling your name. And guess what? You're not alone in giving into that temptation. Stop what you're doing and think about this for a second. Right now, all around the world, there are about over 500 million public Wi-Fi networks. Now, that's a staggering number. Also consider this statistic. 38% of people rely on public Wi-Fi daily. This isn't a niche activity. It's a core part of our modern digital behavior. But this convenience comes with a significant trade-off. We are entrusting our sensitive information to networks that are completely outside our control. The risk, therefore, isn't a possibility. It is a probability. What if I told you that every time you connect to that free network, you might be inviting a digital stranger to look over your shoulder? In fact, that stranger might not just be looking. They might be stealing your passwords, your credit card info, your identity. Hi everyone, I'm Fela Dada and this is i-sentry Insights. Today we're exposing the hidden dangers of public Wi-Fi and the simple tools you need to stay safe. The first danger is called the evil twin attack, and it's as sinister as it sounds. The hacker sets up a malicious Wi-Fi network with a name that looks legitimate, like Cafe Free instead of just Cafe. It might even have a stronger signal. When you connect, you are logging directly to their network. Everything you do, every website you visit, every password you type passes through their computer first. They can see it all in plain text. It's like handing them your diary and your bank statement at the same time. Even if you are on a real public Wi-Fi, there is danger number 2, which is packet sniffing. On an unsecured network, the data you send is often unencrypted, flying through the air for anyone to grab. Hackers use simple, free software called packet sniffers to capture this data. They can see the emails you're writing, the websites you're browsing, and if you're logging into a site that doesn't use HTTPS, they can see your username and password. The third danger is malware injection. On public Wi-Fi, hackers can sneak harmful software onto your phone or computer. They do this by sending infected files or finding and abusing security gaps. Once installed, the malware can steal your information or let criminals control your device remotely. Danger number 4 is session hijacking. Criminals can steal what we call session cookies, which store data about your online activity to gain access to sensitive information on sites you are logged onto. Think of it like digital carjacking. You're already on the driver's seat, logged into your email or bank account. A hacker can force you out and take the wheel, all without ever needing your keys. Your password is useless because they've hijacked your active session. The last and most sophisticated threat is the man-in-the-middle attack. Here, the hacker actively intercepts the communication between you and a website, like your online bank or email. They can not only see what you're doing, but can also alter it. They could redirect you to a fake login page that looks real, steal your credentials, and then forward you to the real site, leaving you completely unaware. So, do you just never use public Wi-Fi again? Not necessarily. You just need a shield, and that shield is a VPN, a virtual private network. A VPN creates an unencrypted tunnel between your device and a server somewhere else on the internet. Even if a hacker is on the same Wi-Fi network, all they see is scrambled, encrypted data. They can't tell what you are doing, or what sites you are visiting, or what you are typing. And if you can't use a VPN, then follow these rules. 1. Never do online banking or shopping on public Wi-Fi. 2. Always look for HTTPS in the website address. 3. Don't download files or accept connections on public Wi-Fi. And if you don't absolutely need internet, just turn off your Wi-Fi and use your phone's cellular data. It's much more secure. Now let's recap. Public Wi-Fi is full of evil twins, sniffers, malware injectors, session hijackers, and men in the middle. Your number one defense is a VPN. So if you travel or use public Wi-Fi often, invest in a reputable VPN service. It's a small price to pay for huge peace of mind. If this makes you rethink your public Wi-Fi habits, do me a favor and hit that like button. And seriously, share this with a friend. You may just save them from a digital nightmare. I'm curious, what's your biggest public Wi-Fi fear or horror story? And are you a dedicated VPN user, or do you live on the edge? Let me know in the comment section. I read every single one.